Andito tayo ngayon sa Bel Air Village to check this new foreclosed house and lot. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So let's go and check this out. So this is the property. Unfinished house and lot po siya. The total lot area is 1,000 square meters. And the floor area is 998 square meters. Meron tayong caretaker dito. Grabe, ang laki niya. Ayan. Unfinished structure. Marami nang tumingin dito. Well, ang sabi ng iba, yung bato niya pwede pang magamit. So, might as well retain na lang yung original plan. Pwede pang magamit yung structure niya. Kasi sayang. Yan, laki niya, oh. Dati ang original price nito was 500 million. Tapos binaba na siya ngayon. We can still make an offer or try to negotiate the price. Okay. If you're interested, paki-message na lang ako directly. Bali, ilang kwarto to? Alam nyo kung ilan? Hindi nyo alam. Parang more than 10. So another bedroom here. Yan. Diyan tayo galing kanina. Tapos isa pang kwarto dito. Dalawa. And tatlo. Siguro itong this is the primary. Laki eh, oh. Another bedroom here. Apat. Yan. And ang lapad, ang kapal ng simento niya. Lima. 6. So lahat naman ng bedroom parang may provision sa bathroom. 7. And then 8. And then dito sa baba, dami nakatambak. Isa. Ito ang pinaka main door. So this is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment and then 80% balance through in-house and bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer and to schedule a showing appointment, please message me directly. Again, this is Bel Air Village in Makati along Zodiac Street with a total of 11 bedrooms, and this is as is where is upon turnover. So according to some clients who have checked this unit, according to them, pwede pang magamit yung structure ng house. Request lang tayo ng kopya sa sa LGU or kung available sa bangko, and then i-continue na lang yung plano. And yung iba naman gusto i-demolish itong entire property, but of course that would be costly. More or less, abutin kayo dito baka mga 5 million just to demolish the house, and then yung pagpapahakot pa, that's another millions. So might as well consult an architect or engineer what's the best thing to do about this property if we have decided to purchase this one. Okay. So again, if you are interested, just message us directly.